Does your Discord disconnect randomly at times? If yes, then I'm here to solve your problem. Hello and welcome to How to Guide. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Discord on your PC. Then you must log into your account. You will see this type of interface over here. Let's go ahead and join a server over here. After you join a server, you can see this over here. So if you click on it, you can see the internet speed. So this is the ping over here. If it decreases or increases, you can see that it will randomly disconnect from you in this channel. So let's suppose your internet or ping is 300 or 400, it will automatically disconnect you, or else the Discord will close itself. This is because of the internet speed. What you need to do is go to the router. If you are using LAN, then you must go ahead and restart the PC, or if you are using Wi-Fi, go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi once, or you can click on airplane mode and the Wi-Fi will be turned off. Go ahead and turn it on again, and then you can try opening Discord. Sometimes this problem occurs. If you have contact with the ISP provider, then you can contact them and tell that this Discord is not connecting or the internet is too slow for Discord to connect. And this way, the randomly Discord disconnection can be eliminated. If this doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Discord once. You can easily find Discord in any website. So guys, this is how you might fix the Discord randomly disconnecting problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.